Hey y'all, so I am here to teach you a math hack that I really love on dividing whole numbers, and you can also use this math hack for dividing decimals, which is a big thing in 6th grade. So on this math hack, if you want to go ahead and pause this video and you can write these steps down. When you do dividing, step 1, you do 50. Now this is made up, every teacher has a different, what's that called? Acronym? A different acronym. It's just like some letters that mean words. So I use 50 because I'm a millennial. And we had 50 cent back in the day. And so, I don't know, I just like saying 50 instead of 50. So I say 50, and it means first number goes in or the top number goes inside. So whether you're given a problem like, nope, that's not even gonna fit. Whether you're given a problem like 8 divided by 27, where you would think the 27 goes inside, but it doesn't. Its first number goes inside the house, and then this would be on the outside. Whether it's given to you like this or like this, in this case, it would be the top number because we have a numerator and a denominator, a top and a bottom. So the top number would go inside. So it just kind of really helps students figure out which number goes inside. Boom. My math hack, that star, is I take that outside number and I multiply it by 10 and 5 it'll really help me. And you'll see whenever we do the problem. And then number 3, DMSB, that means divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. So here we go. Let's start it off. I'm going to start with my papers over here. 4,122 divided by 9. I know you guys are like, oh my God, why did she do 9? So using your notes, we have 50. In this case, I have a first and a last number. So my first number goes inside and my last number goes outside. I like to put lines above every number. If you're a student, if you have ever been told your number's in the wrong spot, put a line above every number. And then what I do is I do my 9 times 10 and my 9 times 5. I'm going to put it over here. 9 times 10 is 90. And 9 times 5 is 45. And what that does is it gives you the middle and the most amount it could be. Well, it can't be times 10. But this will help you determine whether you're going to be close to 5, close to 10, or close to 1. Because we know 9 times 1 is 9. So here we go. 9. Can 9 equal 4? Can 9 fit into 4? Can 9 people fit into 4 seats? No. Can 9 people fit into 41 seats? Yes. So looking over here at my math hack, 41 is close, really close to 9 times 5, which is 45. So then that means it's going to probably be 9 times 4. Do I have? Yeah, you can see here. And 9 times 4 is 36. So I just divided. I told myself how many times it can fit in there. And I have the multiplying. Okay, I borrow from my 4, it becomes a 3, and my 11, and then 6 plus 5 is 11. 11, I bring down my 2. Now I have 9 fitting into 52. Well, 9 times 5 is 45. That's pretty close to 52. If I did 9 times 6, it would be above 52. So right here, boom, 5. And we already have it. 9 times 5 is 45. So when I subtract that, I'm left with 7. Then I once again bring down. 9 fits into 72. 9, now look over here. Is 72 closer to 45 or 90? It's closer to 90. And let's look at it. 72, do you think it's pretty far from 90? Kind of, right? So you're either going to be working with a 7 or an 8. And I usually let my students guess. Pick one. And in this case, we have 9 times 7 is, wow, I'm having a whole moment right here. 9 times 7 is 63. Okay, so in this case, I would be like, all right, do you think it could fit in one more time? Let's try it. 9 times 8. And 9 times 8 actually is 72. Okay, I get a remainder of 0, which means my answer is done. All right, so that is that one. Now, I'm going to hit you with some much more difficult. So we have 3,912 divided by 24. All right, and so I do first in, top in. It's a first, last situation. So 3, 9, 1, 2, and 24 on the outside. All right, and then I come over here and I hit myself with a 24 times 10 is 240, and 24 times 5 is 120. All right, so here we go. And I like to put my lines just because it really helps me out. So 24 cannot equal 3, but 24 can fit into 39. And think about it, 24, 39, they're not far apart. So it's gonna be a 1, and that's 24. 9 minus 4 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bring down my 1. Now looking at this number right here, I have 151. Now is 151 closer to 120 or 240? And it's closer to times 5. So you want to think about my number. It's like around 20 or 25. So if I added 25 to 120, that's going to be like 145. So let me try 24 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. So it won't fit in any more than that. So it's going to be a 6. I'm not saying that it's not difficult. I'm just saying that this helps figure out where to go. Because many times I have students that will literally do almost every single multiplication problem and they spend 15 minutes on one problem because they're multiplying. Well, this can help you not do as much work. 11 minus 4 is 7, I think. Yeah. All right, and then I'm gonna bring down my 2. All right, and then right now I'm dealing with 72. Well, 72 is close to 120. Now, I did do 24 times 1 earlier, and it was 24. So 72 is closer to 120 than 24. So I would guess either a 4 or a 3, and I'm going to have to come over here. Dividing's not pretty, no matter how well you do it. And I get 72. I hope this helps. Use the math hack, don't. My kids that use it, they struggle much less. Good luck. Bye. Bye.